Paying with a Capital One credit card is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To start, ensure you have your Capital One credit card and a valid form of identification. First, review your credit card to confirm the expiration date and available balance. Make sure the card is not expired and you have sufficient funds for the transaction. Next, proceed to the payment location, which can be a physical store, online retailer, or mobile app. Inform the cashier or select the payment option that you will be using your credit card. If paying in person, swipe or insert your card into the payment terminal and follow the prompts. If paying online or through a mobile app, enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Verify the transaction amount and confirm the payment. You may be required to provide a signature or enter a PIN for verification purposes. Once the payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation, such as a receipt or an email, indicating that the transaction was successful. To avoid any potential issues, it is essential to keep your credit card information up to date and monitor your account activity regularly. You can do this by logging into your Capital One account online or through the mobile app. Additionally, consider setting up account alerts to notify you of any suspicious activity or large transactions. This will help you stay on top of your account and prevent any potential fraud. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and securely pay with your Capital One credit card. Remember to always keep your card information confidential and only share it with authorized parties.